No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I'm starting with Inception because it is a well-known movie with useful year, rating, genre, actor, and director information. This batch selects the drop-down match and then clicks the guess button to register the guess. Type card is red. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals TV. Years within 2 years with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2010, likely 2011 or 2012. Rating is within 0.5 with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.8, likely 8.3 to 8.7. No visible genre overlap for action, adventure, or sci-fi. No visible actor overlap for Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, or Elliot Page. No visible director overlap for Christopher Nolan. Constraints. Target is a TV series from 2011 or 2012. IMDb rating below 8.8 but close, not action adventure sci-fi based on visible pills, and not involving the visible Inception cast or Nolan. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is red, so the prior guess was a movie, and target medium equals TV series. Year feedback says the target is newer than 2010, but within 2 years, and rating feedback says lower than 8.8, but within 0.5. Inception shows no overlap for action, adventure, sci-fi, its visible actors, or Christopher Nolan. I will try Shameless because it is a 2011 TV series rated about 8.5 with comedy and drama, fitting the main constraints while testing useful genres. Type card is green. Guess medium was TV series, so target medium equals TV. Years within 2 years with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2011, likely 2012 or 2013. Rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so the target rating is higher than 8.5, likely 8.6 to 9.0. Genre overlap, drama is green, comedy is gray and not on target. Actors Emmy Rossum, William H. Macy, Ethan Kokuski, Jeremy Allen White, and Shanola Hampton show no overlap. Directors Ian B. MacDonald and Mark Mylod show no overlap. Constraints. Target is a TV series from 2012 or 2013, rating about 8.5 and near it, includes drama but not comedy, and does not include the listed Shameless cast or directors. Avoid repeating Shameless. Type card is green, so the last guess was a TV series and target medium equals TV series. Year is within 2 with an up arrow, making the target 2012 or 2013, and rating is within 0.5 with an up arrow, so it is about 8.5. Drama overlaps while comedy does not, and prior Inception feedback excluded action, adventure, and sci-fi overlaps. House of Cards is a 2013 TV drama around 8.6, fitting these constraints and testing political crime thriller leads. Type card is green. Guess medium was TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is within 2 years with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2013, which with prior feedback points to 2012. Rating appears green, so the target has the same IMDb rating as House of Cards, about 8.6. Genre overlap, drama is green, thriller is gray and not on target. Actors Kevin Spacey, Robin Wright, Kate Mara, Corey Stoll, and Michael Kelly show no overlap. Directors James Foley and Robin Wright show no overlap. Constraints. Target is a 2012 TV series, rating about 8.6, includes drama but not comedy or thriller, and excludes visible House of Cards cast/directors. Avoid repeating House of Cards. Type card is green, so the last guess was a TV series and target medium equals TV series. Year feedback is within 2 with a down arrow from 2013 combined with earlier arrows pointing to 2012 and rating is green at 8.6. Drama overlaps while comedy, thriller, action, adventure, and sci-fi do not, with no known actor or director overlaps from prior guesses. The Newsroom is a 2012 TV drama rated about 8.6, making it a strong fit for the current constraints. Type card is green. Guess medium was TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is same, green at 2012, and rating is same, green at 8.6. Genre overlap, drama is green. No gray genre pills are visible in this row. Actors Jeff Daniels, Emily Mortimer, John Gallagher Jr., Alison Hill, and Thomas Sadowski show no overlap. Directors Alan Powell and Greg Matola show no overlap. Constraints. Target is a 2012 TV series rated 8.6, includes drama, does not share the visible Newsroom cast or directors, and is not the Newsroom. Type card is green, so the prior guess was a TV series and target medium equals TV series. The latest row gives exact year 2012 and exact rating 8.6 with drama as an overlapping genre and no Newsroom actor or director overlap. Prior gray genres exclude comedy, thriller, action, adventure, and sci-fi. Endeavor is a 2012 TV drama rated about 8.6, so it fits the strongest remaining constraints. Type card is green. Guess medium was TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year appears same, green at 2012, and rating appears same, green at 8.6. Genre overlap, drama is green, crime and mystery are gray, so not on target. Actor Sean Evans, Roger Allen, James Bradshaw and the other visible Endeavor actors show no overlap. No director overlap is visible through the poster hint modal. Constraint. Target is a 2012 TV series rated 8.6, includes drama, excludes comedy, thriller, action, adventure, sci-fi, crime, and mystery based on prior rows, and is not Endeavor. Type card is green, so the last guess was a TV series and target median equals TV series. The target is exactly a 2012 TV series rated 8.6 with drama overlapping and crime, mystery, comedy, thriller, action, adventure, and sci-fi excluded. Since several 2012 drama series still fit, I'm using the available poster hint before spending guess 6. This is a different action pattern and should reveal visual evidence to identify the target. Type card is green, so the last guess was a TV series and target medium equals TV series. The target is exactly a 2012 TV series rated 8.6 with drama green, while crime, mystery, comedy, thriller, action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray for prior feedback. Call the Midwife fits as a 2012 TV series rated about 8.6 with drama and history, avoiding the excluded genres and known actor/director overlaps. I will type the distinctive fragment Midwife, select the matching drop-down row, and then click the guess button. Nice, the answer was called A Midwife, solved in 6 guesses. The key clues were locking onto a TV series from 2012 with an 8.6 rating, then narrowing it through the drama overlap and the history genre on the winning row.